The planet arrests its spin with brutal force. Everything not anchored would keep moving at 1,675 kilometers per hour. Skyscrapers topple, oceans heave violently. Day turns into a 6-month sun-baked nightmare. Night becomes an endless frigid abyss. Winds roar globally at speeds over 1,000 kilometers per hour. Earthquakes and eruptions reshape the continents. But could we survive this apocalyptic shift? Colossal domes might house future civilizations. Darkness swallows the earth. Panic flickers across the globe. First, the sky loses its familiar glow. Within minutes, temperatures plummet. Plants desperately starve without photosynthesis. Our oceans begin to freeze over. We'd have just 8 minutes of remembered warmth. Gravitational balance collapses. Earth spirals, lost without its anchor. Could life still find a way against the odds? An eternal night tests our survival. Yet humanity, without its magnetic field, Earth becomes defenseless. The auroras we cherish would vanish. Radiation levels rise, threatening life. Solar winds strip away our atmosphere. Oceans begin to evaporate, turning into a cosmic haze. Satellites fail without protection. Communication crumbles. Our compasses go haywire. Navigation lost. Plants and animals face mass extinction. Could we ever rebuild this vital shield? Imagine Earth's sky ablaze. 8 minutes of daylight left, invisible yet unstoppable darkness racing toward us. Global temperatures plummet, dim, frozen wasteland. Plants choke without photosynthesis. Chaos as gravity fades, planets drift silently away. Seas solidify, winds vanish. Nuclear-scale energy bursts, Earth pines for warmth. Survival becomes a desperate flame against the void. In an unlit cosmos, darkness swallows Earth. In 8 minutes, everyone feels a deep chill. Plants stop photosynthesizing immediately. Temperatures plummet rapidly, freezing oceans. Our planet drifts into the abyss, untethered. But the real chaos takes a bit longer. In a week, global temperatures near 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmospheric collapse follows soon after. Within a year, Earth is an icy wasteland. All because we lost our gravitational anchor. Imagine life in relentless. Imagine you're suddenly twice as heavy. Every step feels like a monumental effort. Skyscrapers begin to crumble under their own weight. Tree branches snap, unable to bear the increased force. Cars move sluggishly, tires flattening under pressure. Birds plummet, unable to stay aloft. Even our hearts labor, pushing blood against intense pressure. But why does everything around us disintegrate? Because gravity affects everything. Structure, motion, life. Would human life even be sustainable? Imagine the struggle, just standing still. Twice the absolute darkness engulfs Earth. Panic spreads as clocks tick down. 8 minutes later, silence vacuums the skies. Planets hurtle, sun's gravity gone. Temperatures plummet below freezing within hours. Photosynthesis fades, plants begin to die. Oceans crust over, life battles to endure. Humanity's underground exodus begins. Could our species survive a sunless sky? What would you? Darkness descends, plunging Earth into chaos. Within 8 minutes, the sky goes black as night. Temperatures plummet, dropping by 10 degrees every hour. Plants, starved of sunlight, stop photosynthesizing. Oceans begin to freeze, starting from the surface. Without gravity's anchor, planets drift into space. But what happens to us on the ground? A catastrophic icy grip tightens as survival becomes the only focus. Will humanity find a way, or is this our doom? Darkness descends again, but not from eclipse. Vast stretches of barren seabeds reveal secrets hidden for eons. Cities once bathing in coastal beauty now face silence. The air turns dry, leading to global droughts. Temperature swings wildly as the planet loses its climate regulator. Marine life struggles as ecosystems collapse overnight. Land animals face extinction without water's life cycle. Atmospheric pressure plummets, suffocating life. Civilizations crumble, fighting over the last drops. How would humanity rewrite its fate in a waterless world? Could life adapt, or would Earth become? An empty ocean floor stretches beyond the horizon. Billions of fish lie gasping on cracked mud. Ships trapped on land rusting in disbelief. Humans scramble for water from receding rivers. Without oceans, weather patterns spiral wildly. Tornadoes and dust storms reshape continents. The planet's thermostat cranks up, deserts spread. Missing the ocean, Earth's delicate balance crumbles. Our fate sealed, the ocean beds now graveyards of life. What if the oceans vanished? But what happens next defies imagination. As you approach, tidal forces stretch you like spaghetti. Time itself warps beyond comprehension. Light circles the void, a cosmic kaleidoscope. Crossing the event horizon, no turning back. Crushed to singularity, physics breaks down. Would you live in a new universe's birth? Falling into infinity echoes our endless. Imagine waking up twice as heavy. Gravity suddenly doubled. Every step becomes a battle. Airplanes couldn't lift off. Skyscrapers crack under the pressure. Our hearts labor to pump blood. The earth itself buckles. Seismic shifts trigger devastating quakes. Our world transforms into a new reality. Could we adapt or collapse? Imagine waking up to find Earth's oceans gone. What happens to the climate? Over 7 billion people suddenly without water. Oxygen levels plummet as phytoplankton die off. Temperatures swing wildly without the ocean's regulation. Coastal cities crumble as sand shifts. Global food chains collapse, throwing humanity into chaos. Most life on Earth suffocates without oceanic carbon balance. Could life ever adapt to this